The 2007 Chevy Equinox mid-sized SUV is a carryover design from 2006, but with significant upgrades, including a new interior, improved steering, brakes, and handling. The Equinox comes standard with two-wheel drive and a 3.4-liter V6 that puts out 185 horsepower. It's mated to a 5-speed automatic. EPA mileage is estimated at 19 city, 26 highway. There's a long list of standard features that make the Equinox a good value, including 4-wheel ABS disc brakes, traction control, and CD player with jack for iPod and MP3 player. The 2007 Chevrolet Equinox's base MSRP is $22,250. With options, you can get into the $29,000 range. For a reliable and comfortable midsize SUV with lots of value built in, the 2007 Chevrolet Equinox is an excellent choice.